lovely to be back. It's very nearly December and I have a little public service announcement to be making, which is why I'm popping up in your feeds. I will be doing a Christmas advent calendar YouTube this year. I've never done one before and I thought it might be fun and sort of forced me to get back onto the YouTube wagon. Probably shouldn't use that expression, should you? Sleigh. Let's make it Christmas themed. Sleigh. The YouTube sleigh. So if you haven't subscribed, please do and click the little bell and it will let you know when those videos come up. I will be doing the advent calendar is not like I've seen a few people do sort of a vlog style YouTube series over the sort of holiday period or the month of December if you don't celebrate Christmas. I wanted to do something which was a bit more like an advent calendar. So in every video, there will be short videos each day, and in every one there will be a sewing tip or a sewing hack. And that's your little advent calendar present. And then there'll be a little bit of other fun stuff as yet to be determined. At the moment, I have about 15 Christmas tips that I've managed to think of. So I'm also putting this video out as if you have a cool hack that you use all the time or you learnt recently or you figure it would be great to share with other people, leave it in the comments and then I will hopefully feature it later in the series. I probably do have 24 myself, I just haven't quite thought of what they are yet. So if you have some, please let me know. Obviously, there's sewing hacks all over the place. You may know some of them, you may not. But I hope that they are of interest and useful and add a little bit of a daily sort of fun thing for you guys to check into and watch. I will also be doing a video shortly about this wonderful thing that I'm sitting in, which was my early Christmas present to myself, because that's totally a thing and arrived last week and very exciting. Currently looks a bit like I'm sitting in a sauna, like a sewing sauna. Ooh, there's a thing. I wonder if that's been invented anywhere. Probably in Norway. They've probably got them in Norway. If any of you are in Norway, do you have sewing saunas? If not, maybe you should think about it. There's all kinds of steam and electronics issues which would probably not work particularly well. Yeah. Anyway, at the moment it looks a bit saunery because it's all lovely raw pine. It smells so great. I feel like I'm in a pine forest. But I'm hoping to colourful it up. My partner just said to me, oh, I think you need it to be more colourful in there if you're going to use it as your YouTube background. I was like, you're right, I do. So hopefully, as we move towards Christmas, more stuff will emerge and appear in here. I will do a proper video about this because it deserves it. But a little sneaky peeky for you there. So I hope you're all doing okay. I hope the run up to the break over December, whether Christmas for you, Hanukkah, whether you are of a religion that does not celebrate a moment during the December period, brings you some joy and respite this year, and that this little series, in its own little tiny way, gives you something to sort of look forward to and enjoy. So I will see you on the 1st of December. Enjoy the end of November, get prepping your advent calendars if you haven't yet, you've only got a couple more days, and I will see you really soon. Bye.